Welcome to The Source.
Life can get pretty hectic, so this month we're talking all things planning to help you check off one more box on your to-do list. We all know Facebook and Instagram are connected under Meta, but there's actually two different ways to go about scheduling your content. You can use Meta Business Suite, which is my personal favorite, or you can actually do it through Instagram directly. Before we decide which one we want to use, let's take a second to check out the pros and cons of each. Okay, now let's get into exactly how to do this.
For Meta, open up Facebook and make sure you're acting as your business page. Click on Meta Business Suite on the left-hand side. Now I typically head to Planner on the left-hand side, and you'll see some options in the top right corner, such as Create Reel, Create Post, and Create Story, which may be hiding under a little arrow. You'll be able to select your type of content you want to schedule, upload it, add your caption, set a date and time, and you're good to go. For Instagram, let's go through your regular steps of sharing a post or reel and pause on this last screen where you enter your caption. Scroll all the way down and tap Advanced Settings. Toggle on the option below Schedule Content, choose your date and time, and hit the back arrow to save that. At this point, you'll get a pop-up where you can tap Continue Scheduling. Then tap Schedule in the bottom right. Be sure to leave Instagram open until you see your content has been successfully scheduled.
And the best part about all of this, there's a whole section of the Coldwell Banker 2024 Agent Marketing Plan that covers social media. From where to find content to when to post it, we're making it easier for you. So take out your plan and let's get to scheduling content.
And that's all for this month on The Source.